game we play. It's called the Circle of Doom. You might not be able to see it, but all the people that have black swords are on the inside facing out. All the people that have red swords are on the outside facing in. Everybody fights for 20 seconds, or for 30 seconds, and then the outside circle rotates one person. This way, if somebody's with someone that really outclasses them, they're not with them for very long. But as you can tell, everybody's having a great time.